If you are planning a trip to Korea, one of the most convenient ways to travel is to use a T-Money card. In this video, I will show you how to buy and use a T-Money card in Korea. First, let's talk about how to get a T-Money card. There are 4 easy ways to get T-Money cards in Korea. The vending machine. You can find T-Money vending machines at subway stations, convenience stores, and bus terminals. You can select the T-Money card option on the device, select the amount to be loaded on the card, and pay with cash or card. Convenience store. T-Money cards can also be purchased at convenience stores such as CU, GS25, and 7-Eleven. Just go to the counter and ask for a T-Money card. You can buy a T-Money card and recharge the amount on the card. Online. You can purchase T-Money cards online through websites such as T-Money Korea or mobile applications such as Kakao Pay. The card will be delivered to your address, and you can add money to it through an app or website. A subway station. You can also get a T-Money card at any subway station customer service center. All you have to do is ask for a T-Money card. Then, you can add money to the card at the station and use it immediately. Now that we have a T-Money card, let's talk about how to use it. T-Money cards can be used on buses, subways, and even some taxis. When you enter a bus or subway station, simply touch your T-Money card on the card reader. The amount deducted from your card will depend on the distance you travel. If you transfer from the subway to the bus, or vice versa, touch the T-Money card on the reader at the transfer gate, you will get a discounted fare. And if you use a taxi, you can pay with a T-Money card by simply touching the card reader when you arrive at the destination. Whether you are a tourist or a resident, I recommend using a T-Money card in Korea, because it is easy and convenient. I hope the video was helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you.